Fancy you being silly enough to let your hubby pass you that grog, eh?
He didn't.
I know. They got a wee present from me. You see, I had to get some excuse to see you alone. We've got important business matters to discuss, Doreen. Don't you think it's about time you made up your mind to sell that house? There's no rush, of course. Tomorrow will do fine. But if you haven't made up your mind to sell by then, I might just have to give you a little push. The same as I did with Gilmore.
What love really meant. When it came from nowhere. When it came, it altered my life. Sons and daughters, love and laughter, tears and sadness. And